Today I'm going to show you my 5 free plugins that I use in my mastering chain that you can use in your mastering chain and also in your mixing. They're beautiful plugins, they're all free to download. Check it out. What's up guys, Thomas Ray here with Sound Audio Advice, bringing you the latest and the greatest from the universe of audio. To not miss any of the videos, click subscribe, get the bell going and stay tuned. Okay guys, so let me show you my 5 favorite free plugins that you can use both on Mac and Windows. So there we go. The first one is Ptex. That's the emulation of Ptex EQ. Beautiful, beautiful plugin. There we go. Molot it's kind of like a Fairchild compressor. It has a little bit more options, which is pretty helpful. Then we go TDR Kolletnikov. That's the mastering compressor. Then we move into a clip shifter, which is a clipper, and then a limiter on at the end of the mastering chain. So that will be mastering chain, and I'm going to show you all the plugins. There we go. Let's listen to the tune. What I'll do, basically, I'll set up all the plugins already. That's the way how I would use it. So what I'll do, I'll just mute them all and go one by one, just so you can hear the difference and appreciate the quality of 3 free plugins. There we go. So that's the track from Juan Rojo from Edinburgh. There we go, let's move to the first one. They can hear straight away, right? So what I did here was just to boost 100 Hertz to get this fatness to the kick. As you can hear it straight away, right? I see how it works, right? So you're boosting and then at the same time you're attenuating certain frequencies. So that's your frequencies, that's your boost, that's your attenuation, and this is your bandwidth. So how much of the signal you want to affect, right? So let's see if I'll go attenuation 0 and keep the 4 in the boost. See what happens. There's even more boost, right? Look, check this. So they're basically cancelling themselves out. Okay, really nice feature. Same with the top end. You can do 3, 4, 5K, 10K, whatever. I'll do the 5K. I'll do the same thing for you guys. Check it out. You can actually feel how it opens up, you know. Really like this plugin. Okay, there we go. Next one. Well, actually, you go low pass filter, high pass filter at the bottom. You go mid-range frequencies as well that you can use at the same way. So let's say, for example, if you want to adjust the 1K, I'm going to adjust that. So basically, I would use it in a creative stage of the mastering, you know, because you can't really cut much of the stuff with much precision. So this is where you add color, you know. Okay, let's move to the next plugin, which is Molot Compressor. So basically, it acts like a glue compressor to glue everything that happens before it hits the compressor here, okay? So check it out, I'll play it just now. Can you see it? The needle just moves, means you know, there's not much compression happening, because that's not the case for this sort of compressor. As I said, it's more to glue everything together. Let me just explain the settings for you guys. So low ratio, hard knee, a little bit of threshold, a little bit of makeup, slow attack, fast release, just pretty much that's the settings I will use in the Fairchild as well. You know, I'll show you what's going to happen if I adjust the threshold a bit more. You know, then you feel it's a bit too much. Check it out. So now it's practically no working. And now it's pumping way too much. And somewhere there, that'll be the sweet spot of it. Okay. Let's move to the next one. It is a mastering compressor, Kolesnikov. Really nice compressor, actually, you know. I'm using it in my sessions from time to time when I need something simple, something transparent. Just does the job, you know. Check it out. Actually, I'm going to play it without it, and then I'll bring it in. Without and with. You can hear, especially the kick drum, it has this nice dynamics, you know, just now. Again, you know, it's not much of the compression is happening. That's the sensors there. You know, similar settings, slow attack, fast release. You know, it has RMS release as well. You know, add a little bit of makeup for the punch. You know, once again, I'm going to show you what's going to happen if I adjust the threshold more. So there's a lot of compression happening. You can't really feel it that much. That's why I'm saying it's very transparent. And then let's go back to yeah, really nice. Really good compressor, mastering compressor. Now you can actually hear the difference between the normal compressors and the mastering compressors, because you might adjust quite a bit in the settings, but that doesn't really translate into the sound, you know. Because during the mastering process, you don't really affect the sound as much, you know. You just try to make as small changes as possible, you know, as little changes as possible, just to get the best result, you know. Okay, let's jump into clip shifter, just your clipper. Similar thing, you've got your C-line, you got your harmonics, yeah, decent utility tool. So maybe without, and with. Nice. Let me show you what's going to happen when we push the threshold. Right? So basically you're looking for the sweet spot there. And I would say somewhere here. Without and with. See, it adds a lot of gain without really losing much in dynamics. You know, that's the whole point of it. Cool tool, really recommend it. Next one, and the final one, it is a Limitless 6. So as you probably notice, it's pretty similar kind of Russian design as the Molot, as the same company. It looks pretty complicated. I'll tell you what, has a compressor, has a peak limiter, a high pass filter, limiter, clipper, and just a ceiling. So this is where you set your ceiling. I set it -5 dB. And this was what's happened. Take a look. So just to let you know, all of the other ones are off, right? Because we already got the clipper in there. We already have our compressors. We don't need the peak limiter just now. Sorry, the high frequency limiter just now. There you go. Without and with. Excellent. Once again, I'm going to show you what's going to happen when I adjust the threshold. See how sensitive it is? I automatically just go into really tough mode, you know? And there you go, you know, you can go different modes, you can go brick wall, soft, mid and side, multi-band. It's really, really handy, and you know what, it's free. It's really free, and like looking at all that, I think it's $48, $49 for normal Ptex EQ from Waves. If you're going for Waves, same with Fairchild, so that's $100. Like mastering compressor are pretty expensive. You're looking at about $100 to $150. Same with Clipper, you know, altogether that would cost probably about like $300, you know, and then you get everything for free. So much respect to the companies producing that, putting them out, you know, making updates. Really appreciate what they do, and you guys should check it out. All those plugins are included in my mastering chain. There is the mastering chain cheat sheet. The link's down below, you can download it, and I explain all my mastering chain to you. It's much more than only those 5 plugins. But I include all of them along with the download links, so you can just go and download them. They're beautiful plugins, you know. Well done to all the companies, and big up for doing free tools for us. Thank you. Right guys, I hope that was helpful. Remember, those are free plugins that you can download for free. If you're struggling with your mastering, you can download my mastering cheat sheet, where I'm showing you exactly what should go where in the chain along with the plugins. There's lots of plugins that I've shown in this video that I included in the chain. The link's down below. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.